Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Bruce in Pennsylvania on this new Rci-2995 dx. Bruce, got it ready to go for you, bud. Turned out really nice. We talked on the phone, and you wanted this thing to do around 165 peak, but you wanted to maintain some good 100%, 110% modulation, so we've done just that. Let's get right to it. RF power all the way down, 100 watt slug. About 5 or 6 all the way down, and about 38 all the way up. I'm going to show you average power swing. Hello. About 78 bird. Go over here to peak. 250 watt slug. Hello. There's 165 watts. Alright, we got the max mod done, the Fed upgrade. This thing's ready to go. Bruce, I hope you enjoy this brand new radio. Really is a sweetie. Your friend Truck at truckcbsays@gmail.com. Bump bump.